In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email sync in Pipedrive, Gmail or Outlook. By the end, you'll have your email connected so messages show up right inside Pipedrive, linked to the right people and deals, and ready to send and receive without leaving your CRM. This saves time, keeps your team aligned, and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. First, let's open the email sync settings. Log into your Pipedrive account and look to the top right corner. Click your profile picture to open the menu. From there, go to Personal Preferences, then choose Email Sync. On that page, you'll see the option to Add New Account. Click it to start the connection process. If you already have accounts listed, don't worry. You can add another one or review existing settings from this same screen later. Next, choose your email provider. If you're using Gmail or Google Workspace, select Google or Gmail. A secure Google window will appear asking you to sign in. Enter your account, then review the permissions. You'll need to grant Pipedrive access so it can read and send mail on your behalf. This is what enables syncing and keeps your inbox consistent across both tools. Approve the request, and in a moment, you'll be connected. When that's done, your Pipedrive inbox will start showing your Gmail messages right inside the Mail tab so you can work from one place. Once your email is synced, Pipedrive automatically stores incoming and outgoing messages, and it matches each email to the correct contact or deal based on the email address. That means your conversation history is organized without extra effort. You can also open and send emails directly from the Mail tab in Pipedrive and reply to threads just like you would in your usual inbox. In the sync settings, you can choose which emails or folders and labels you want to bring over. If you use labels in Gmail, this is a great way to keep personal items out of your CRM and focus on the labels that matter for your pipeline. If you use Outlook or Office 365 instead of Gmail, simply select that provider during setup and follow the prompts shown on screen. The result is the same. Your messages appear in Pipedrive and your correspondence is kept in sync. That's it. You've connected your email to Pipedrive and configured what gets synced, so you can manage conversations alongside your deals. If you need to adjust anything later, return to Personal Preferences, open Email Sync, and update your options.